Hi guys, this is Haps and welcome back to my channel. Happy 2023. Happy New Year to you and your family. So today you are going to reset the house with me, or rather reset some parts of the house as you will see in the video. First up, we tackle the bedroom, where I take down the dirty linen and I bring in fresh, clean bedding. So you can see me here putting my pillows onto very clean pillowcases. So once the bedroom as well as our bathroom is done, I move on to the TV area where we hang our Christmas tree up. So I'm probably the last person in the whole of South Africa to take down their Christmas tree. This tree I took down on the 5th of January. I'm not even ashamed of it. I loved this tree very much. It was Mads and I's first tree together. We enjoyed taking pictures of the tree, taking pictures with the tree as well. So first I take down all the ornaments and then I take the tree apart and put it back into its box. And whilst I'm doing all of this, I was enjoying a nice cup of coffee, was watching and listening to some YouTube videos as well. And on this tree I also shoved in the other tiny tree decorations on there, because I don't want to be running around next year looking for these tiny decorations. So I just put everything into that box, closed it up, and then I took it to the guest bedroom. Once the tree is out of the way, I move the furniture back to its original place, as you can see me do here. I will sweep as I go because the tree did shed quite a lot, so there were a few fake leaves on the floor. So sweep those away, and then I just put our ottomans back to where we keep them. And yeah, I put my flowers back to their places, my little Buddha, and then I go down to the coffee table, just give it a nice wipe down, open up the sliding door to let in some nice fresh air. And yeah, the TV area looked pretty clean. And by the time I was done with the TV area, I just made a bit of breakfast. So just egg, mushroom, as well as tomato and some green juice. And this breakfast would not be complete if I didn't have a second cup of coffee. I woke up pretty early to do everything, and so yes, a second cup was due. And whilst I'm enjoying my breakfast, I just go over a few comments on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram as well. After breakfast, I went to the mall to grab a few things because the house was pretty empty since we had gone to the Eastern Cape and we needed to refill on a few things. Also got me a nice bouquet of flowers. So this is me just putting away all the groceries that we got, which was mostly just fresh produce and yeah, this and that. After I had put everything away, Mads and I were enjoying a glass of wine and we were watching The Walking Dead. Yes, we are into that kind of things. So this is the second time we're watching what we did. And we did laundry as well, had dinner and went to bed. And that was the end of the vlog.